Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Following that, scroll down again, click on Font Size and Style, tap on Font Style, and tap on the best one for you to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. If you wish to try something else, go back to the same settings, but this time tap on Download Fonts and install the best one for you. In my case, that one. Now wait for it till it's ready and go back to the same settings again. Lastly, click on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!